Guys, let me tell you, you are associated with SSB Short Short Academy, Short Short Club. And let me tell you, you are lucky because this is a venture of ours through which we want to reach out to maximum candidates, particularly all those who are from BPL category. Because a lot of queries were asked, and for them it is absolutely free. You please tell anybody who's from BPL category, he has to just send a photo of that to my coordinator. There are 3, 4 coordinators for it, and just send that and we'll register. To get the best of the GTOs in the gradually and best of the psychologists. And you heard last time Brigadier Venu, who was the president of a board, a very experienced interviewing officer, so and who has been already a president. So you'll be getting such kind of speakers, and some of the renowned speakers will be ensuring that you get to hear that so that you learn, guys. Aim is that.
You can now download the SSB SureShot app from Google Play Store to access online courses related to SSB, personality development, and written exams like NDA, CDS, FCAT, and plenty of other preparation material. For a limited time period, you can apply the coupon code SureShot20 to get a flat 20% discount on all the courses. Hurry up and become a part of the SureShot family.
Beauty of the SSB Short Short Academy is all our interns do pretty well. And as an intern, you get a lot of leadership opportunities, guys. But to become our intern, you have to really sweat it. You have to take initiative. You have to be good in speaking. You have to have a little bit of leadership, and you have got to have some talent. And girls, there are numerous girls and boys like Tanuja and Bhati who are our interns. This is the only academy in the country which, besides our GTOs and besides our interviewing officer, it is run by the interns. Mine, when I talk about the PIQ interview process, main focus of mine is to tell you and to remove this fear of interview from your mind. I have seen it many times. Why you guys fail? Because you guys are too anxious, too scared of the interview. Guys who are calm and cool and yet able to give their ideas, display their talent, show their confidence and their power of expression besides the depth of their knowledge. Let me tell you who's going to stop them. Obviously, they will have those 15 officer-like qualities. Process is the simplest process in the not only in the SSB. I think it is simpler than a corporate interview. And can you believe after that what are we asking? Imagine our questions. In fact, I tell my civilians, so many people, senior officers in the civil also ask me, I tell them army interview is simplest one, but guys, I don't know why they get scared. And imagine, I repeatedly tell you guys, the first question we are going to ask you, you know it very well. I don't have to even repeat it. I know it. I'm here to clarify your doubts. The first question, imagine about your academics, about your sports, about your extracurricular activities, about your friends, about your teacher. Do you call it a question? What is your favorite subject and all that? आप लोग ये भी ध्यान नहीं कर सकते यार. तो मेरे को इसलिए बुरा लगता है. Such simple question, guys, we are asking you. उसी में आप लोग कंफ्यूज क्यों हो जाते हो, समझ में नहीं आता मेरे को. आई थिंक वो आर्मी का ऑरा है, आर्मी ऑफिसर्स हैं. आई फाइंड लॉट ऑफ कैंडिडेट्स आर स्केयर्ड ऑफ दैट. प्लीज डोंट. पहली चीज, मास्टर दिस. Say yourself, oh my God, it's so simple, I will do very well. Till the time you repeatedly tell yourself, I am going to do the best in the interview, you will do the best. Feed this to your bloody subconscious mind time and again, saying with authority. Yeah, if you have a good power of communication, if you have little bit of confidence, if you have some knowledge, because factor one, which is knowledge, is very, very important. If you express thereafter, oh my God, We get to know more. This boy has knowledge. This boy has ideas. This boy has depth in him. This boy can organize his thoughts properly. This boy has ability to impress. He can speak well because these are required in a leader. Yeah, simple. He's confident of himself. He doesn't get confused. Guys, such a simple thing we are looking for. Look at this. And what is the second question we are asking? Yeah, oh my God, yeah, Mirko, are you guys know it about your family? How many members? What kind of relation you share? Who is your role model? Why is your role model? What do you like about him? What he likes about you? Look at this, yeah. एंड इसी में आप लोग घबरा जाते हो यार, घबराए मत करो। और ये सिंपल क्वेश्चन देखो, मैं आपके लिए फ्री में इतने मैंने इंटरव्यूज डाले हैं यार, उसमें किसमें, आपके यूट्यूब चैनल में यार। कम से कम फॉर गॉड से देख लो उनको, एक दो को देख लो, एक दो बार देख लो उनको, इतना तो कर सकते हो ना। सो देखो उनको, और लेट मी टेल यू, यू विल गेट एन आइडिया ऑफ हाउ द इंटरव्यू टेक्स प्लेस गाइस, how the interview takes place. Interview process of the armed forces is semi-structured, means भैया this structure जो है, we cannot even change. We are supposed to ask in this order only. We can change the order, for a repeater, but usually we ask in a similar fashion.
Are you preparing for defense written exams like NDA, CDS, AFCAT, or Sainik School Entrance Exam? Join our written exam preparation courses, practice mock tests, and get expert mentor support. Call us at 725-940-7111.
Because of this scare of the bloody interview. अरे मिस्टर, आपको जो कमांडेंट रह चुका है, इंटरव्यूइंग ऑफिसर रह चुका है, प्रेसिडेंट रह चुका है, मैं बोल रहा हूँ यार, इससे सिंपल कोई प्रोसीजर नहीं है। मैं गलत बोलूंगा? Will I tell you something wrong? No. Just do your interview the best of your ability, okay? And after that, now comes those tricky questions which you are saying. But after this CIQ, guys, we will ask a fourth CIQ to a chap who is working. We'll ask him a fourth CIQ. We will ask him what? We'll ask him simple question about what job he's doing. How much does he like? How does he feel about it? What pay he's getting? How is he spending that and all that? That's or whether he may be in the army or he may be in the civil or in the corporate. We'll counter question something more about, okay, exact job he's doing, what is his position, how did he get that job and all that. So these are the four things. I was a commandant, I did not know. Sir, what are these rapid fire questions? I was wondering, मैंने कहा यार ये क्या होता है rapid fire? Then they told me they call CIQs as rapid fire question. By God, rapid fire. so they call it a rapid fire question. And after that they said, sir, what about the tricky question? मैंने कहा यार वो क्या है tricky, उसमें कुछ है ही नहीं tricky उसमें. Since you guys say it is tricky question, guys देखो ना क्या होता है. You should understand now. After we have asked you the CIQs, your personality, a rough sketch is in our mind. Now it is in front of us. We have made a lot of notes about you. By the way, have you seen that when I interview a candidate, even nowadays, today, yesterday, anytime, I write one full page about him. We keep noting down. We are trained to write by looking at you. Our pen will keep running. Whatever we notice, we'll write down. We write. Those comments ultimately help us to formulate a rough picture of your personality. By the time you people have answered these CIQs, a rough picture of your personality is there with us. And after that, what do we do? After that, we ask you certain questions so that we can fill the gaps and know the exact details about you, clarify our own mind. That's why this process is known as check. शुरू में check कर लिया, आपने जवाब दिए, recheck now some questions and counter check. And that is where these, which you call them tricky questions, I call them very simple questions, come into play. Now guys, after that, I know what strength and weaknesses you have. I know. You have also said that to me. But you may not be absolutely correct. I know that. I know that. We interviewing officers know that. What you have said is part of the truth, not the truth. Because you may not be knowing. Because self-assessment is not that easy. Everybody can't do it. It's a very difficult process. You will not understand what is your real weakness. We will be able to find it out. So once you have also told, now we will check, we'll recheck or counter check. How do you do that? By asking you questions. So these are the questions. Generally, I will divide them into 7 different headings. We may ask you 4, 3, 5. It is up to us, depending on how much we have been able to question. Now it is a direct question. What are your strengths and weaknesses? Tell me 3 each or 2 each. We'll ask you, usually 3 each will ask you. So what you answer, so we'll be able to make out whether you have done some self-introspection or not, whether you are telling the right thing, truth or not. As simple as that, guys. Getting me? So this is what we'll ask about you. Strength and weaknesses. What is so great about it? Tell me. What is so great about it? Okay? Or we can call it, tell me your pluses and minuses, or tell me your strong points and the areas you would like to improve. The language, it is the same question. It is how we ask model. Now, यहाँ पर मेरा एक suggestion आप लोगों को, have a great role model in your life. Who's your role model other than your family member? Will ask. तो वो बोलते हैं सर मेरे चाचा का लड़का सर, और या सर मेरे फ्रेंड ऑफ माइंड. अरे यार ये कोई रोल मॉडल है यार, वो दोस्त है तुम्हारे. Your role model has to be like Sardar Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Manik Shah, or some great man, Swami Vivekanand, or Jawaharlal Nehru, or somebody which you feel very great person. और धोनी क्रिकेट का प्लेयर, और विराट कोहली, और कोई फुटबॉलर, क्रिस्टियानो रोनाल्डो, पेले. You know why is this, guys? There is a psychological reason for it. याद रख लेना जो बात बता रहा हूँ. If you have a role model of something which you want to be in life, you want to be an actor, have an actor role model. You want to become an army officer, have a great army officer as your role model. Not the captain so-and-so or major so-and-so. Not that they are bad, but you know, your yardstick has to be very great. Okay? A girl as a role model. There are so many great women in our country. Where is the doubt in this? If you want to become a singer, have a singer. We have no objection to it. Then whatever field you want to have a role, why you should be selected, or why do you consider yourself a leader? Tell me. Why do you consider yourself a leader? Think about it. Are you a leader? उसके लिए कहानी सुनाने लगते हैं. सर once when I was in 5th class. अरे यार कौन सुन रहा है, कहानी क्यों सुना रहे हो यार? Tell me simple answer दो उसका. Are you a leader? Tell me why. Tell me 3 reasons or 4 reasons. So you formulate your own answers. One more question. Okay, tell me what are your regrets in life? Okay. Yeah, 3, 4. Some people keep narrating their bloody regrets. 6-7 regrets. 3 पूछे 6-7 बता देता हूँ. Don't have so many regrets in life here. Regret is, sir. First regret is, sir, I don't know why I was born like a girl or as a boy, sir. I wanted to actually become a boy or a girl, vice versa. That's the first regret. The second regret, sir, I was born in a village, sir. I should have been born in the city, sir. ऐसे रिग्रेट्स यार जो तुम्हारे हाथ में ही नहीं है, उनको रिग्रेट का क्या करना हमने? समझ गए नहीं समझे? I should have been born in America, sir. I don't know why I landed up in India. Some people have this kind of regrets also. Happy anywhere he goes, in any circumstances. He wants to become serious, he will become serious. He wants to be happy, he will become happy. He wants to become energetic, he can become. He wants to become intelligent, he can become. Simple. It is a method of auto-suggestion. It is the method of training your psychological mind. It is doing those introspection, visualization, and affirmation, which I tell in my personality development classes. This is what it is, guys. You can become what you want in life. Where is the bloody doubt? You have the doubt. That is the problem. If you have the doubt, how the hell will you become? This doubt gradually will pave the way for your confidence, for your self belief, for your self esteem, for your self image. And that will make you confident what you exactly want to become in life. It's so simple. So, guys, are these the tricky questions? This is the thing I want to remove from your mind. Don't let it call them tricky. They are not tricky at all. What is so tricky? We may ask you after that some situation. Okay, your boss has told you that give him 3 suggestions to improve the administration, or 3 suggestions to improve the training, or 3 suggestions to improve the team building, or your CEO has asked you to organize a volleyball match, or some fest or something. Something we want to test your organizing skills. Such simple question, guys, will ask you. What is so tricky about it? Tell me. And with this, your interview is going to come to an awareness question. Particularly, remember now, we are more keen to know your depth of ideas, depth of mind. We will ask you, what are your views about the farmers' agitation? What is your views about the Gaza conflict? What is your view about the corona? What is this phase 2? Second wave. Who is responsible for it, in your opinion? Something like that. We can ask you anything. Okay? We can ask your opinion, guys. We ask you your opinion, your views. That gives us depth to your mind. How you express that. Everybody gives a different answer. By such kind of questions where we ask your views, we come to know your depth of your mind, how much you know the subject. Some people will just answer like a general knowledge question. No, guys, it's not a general knowledge question. It's your, that's why you should read more. Another suggestion of mine always is, guys, read more books.